You see those? And we got those right there. Hey folks, a 1-minute review on how to fix those pesky cracks on your UAV. Check it out. UAVbits.com has a subframe. There's my drone, my Phantom 3 Professional, and I was cracking right here at the end of the arm. 2 of the 4 arms of my drone had cracks. So instead of getting the plate that just covers the end, I ended up getting the subframe from UAVbits.com. Really cool. I'm totally digging this product. It was only 40 bucks. I think 44 bucks shipped to your door, and it took less than a week to get. Only complaint that I have about this is these access holes are not big enough for my Torx bit. So I had to actually drill those out. And because this is PLA 3D printed plastic, you got to be super careful that you don't go too far. I tried to do this by hand. That would have been way better, to just ream it, use a drill bit and ream the hole. But my tap handle didn't handle the drill bit very well. I guess I could have put it in a vice grips or something and done it that way. 2 of the holes, I ended up using a drill. 2 of the holes got a little close, and it actually went through. And so, word to the wise, be careful about that. But worked out really great. Comes with a set of longer Torx screws, machine screws, and of course the 4 handles. Yeah, really cool. Check it out. UAVbits.com. Thanks. Okay, so you can see right here, the subframe mounts just like so, but I can't get my the bit through there. So I have to bore it out, ream it. So this is a super easy fix. Drill bits, drill, and I was doing this by hand, but my tap wrench didn't quite fit right, so I'm just doing it by using the drill. But these are printed, 3D printed from PLA, so easy to ream out. Just enough so that Torx bit can go through, and it's all good.
With Viking Homes, you can create a home that's personalized by you. From floor plans to our design center enhancements, siding, counters, and